Hey guys, this is Candace at Rhino Lights. Today we're going to talk about a custom setup for a golf cart that a customer had ordered. So the big thing about this is he wanted to control his underglow and whip lights and in the ceiling separately than just everything running off of one switch. So the great thing about Rhino Lights is you can run everything off of one controller, powered off of one controller, but with this setup you can actually turn on and off their products independently. So I'm going to show you just a little example. So the first switch is a power switch, which for the controller. So all it does is turn on the controller. So as you can see, none of the products are lit up. And if I hit this second button, this is just for the whips. So this switch only powers the whips. And then I'm going to go for the rock lights and then the LED strips for his wheel wells. So those are 4 36-inch strips for his wheel wells and then 8 rock lights that are going to be underneath the golf cart. And this last switch is for his roof line. So you got 2 112-inch strips plus 2 40-inch strips. So it's going to make a really cool rectangle around the roof of his golf cart. And again, you can switch them on independently of each other. So if you only want 2 on, great, you can just control the 2 you want. So the great thing about this is that a lot of customers ask us, well, how do you turn things on and off separately? This is how. So we don't support it unless we do it ourselves. So this customer wanted it so much that he said, hey, I want you guys to go ahead and wire up the harness for me so I can go ahead and control them. I just want to be able to plug it in and go. So that is an option that we can do some custom wiring. If you do want to control your products independently, this is definitely an option. This is using our sync board technology because there are so many strips and so many LEDs currently in the system. This sync board is going to be a requirement. This helps boost the data signal. So that way you're not having any flickering issues in your LED strips or your rock lights or your whips. So definitely contact us if this is a setup that you'd be interested in, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Instagram and Facebook.